Good morning and warm welcome to Tamara's garden. Today I thought of sharing with you some beautiful blooms from my garden. This is the princess flower and it is known as glory bush as well, and they do well in direct sunlight. So this is the first flowering of the plant and there are many blooms. These are geraniums, and they also a beautiful flowering plant that you must add to your garden. They also love the indirect sunlight. Another color of the geranium. I have these two varieties with me. Vinca blooms also I have this shade. Look at them. They are flowering so beautifully. Some orange Tecoma, and I really do love this color. Tecoma flowers also started blooming. So these are the buds, and this is the yellow Tecoma. Here I have some Ixora, the plant that loves the sunlight so much. This is red one, and here I have the yellow one. Look at this bloom. They do love the partial sunlight. So this also I love having in my garden, Jabras. Here I have some porcelain flowers. I have the pink color. So they too are blooming in the morning.